Mexico, and I am so excited to be here. We have rented this amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, huge house for a W3, Whitney's Wealth Workshop. We're going to be learning about vacation rentals, so why not rent a vacation house? Woo! I want to take you on a tour of this beautiful house. Come on. So, I'll bring you back. There's an apartment in here also. We come through this gorgeous archway, and I will say that this place is very nicely decorated, nice landscaping, and it feels like, you know, I would expect New Mexico to feel, but not over the top, not tacky. It's really classy. Hello! We're in New Mexico, in Albuquerque. Dad's out there figuring out how to work the pool. Mom and Jason in here. So we've got a living room in here overlooking the pool. I'm pretty excited about this, the fireplace situations. And are those double TVs? We've got a pool table, a nice, huge kitchen. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. Little wet bar here, looking out to the dining room, and pretty much everything in this house overlooks this pool. It's fantastic. Y'all check that out. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. Look at that sky. All right. Hey, Jason, will you unlock the front room for me? I want to take him on a tour. All right, we got a half bath in here. Hey, y'all. Then we'll come check out the master bedroom. Coming in this way. Look at this. Hey! Look at this bathroom. Oh my God, it's huge. This place is amazing. I'm really excited about this tub. We've got double closets. That's an extra mattress in case you have some overnight guests that you weren't expecting, but I don't plan on having any overnight guests that I'm not expecting. The shower is gorgeous. It's huge. Look at this. And I gotta tell y'all, the best thing that I've seen so far since I've been checking out this house, and y'all know I came in and just immediately started scoping everything out, right? Look at all of these towels. I have never stayed in vacation rental that gave me this many towels. Woo! It's those nice extra little perks that I'm excited about. And they even left some pool towels. Now, we've already got our luggage in here, so there's a little bit of junk, but necessary room. Nice big master bedroom. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait for my girls to get here. It's Sunday right now, and they should be here on Tuesday. And we've got a nice view of the pool right here. That's Jorge. And we got a jacuzzi out there also. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Gas fireplace. Door straight out to the pool. And then we've got two more bedrooms on this side of the house, this wing of the house, I guess you could say. First bedroom right here. This is going to be Mom and Dad's bedroom. King size bed in here. Everything smells good and clean. Oh, it's so nice. And then we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom right here. And then there's a second bedroom. I guess this is the third bedroom, isn't it? So the third bedroom, twin beds in here. I don't really have anybody staying in this room. Hey, y'all. But it's nice. Mom and Dad could use this room as like a dressing room. But if we had other people coming, it's totally cool. Extra blankets in here. So, this will be Mom and Dad's suite. And then I'll have the master suite up there. You want to go check out the front room? It's open. It's open? Okay. Dad, you figure out how to use the pool? Yeah. Okay. He's got some address. So, Janine is going to be staying here at the house. She's in my mastermind. She's been with me since last July, and she stays with me when we get these rental houses. And check out this apartment out here. There's a double bed, a couch, a TV, so there's like a little private living area out here. She's got her own bathroom out here. We'll say, it's a nice big bathroom, stand-up shower. Extra closet space. Oh, look at those towels. I am so excited. I go through a ton of towels, y'all. Stand-up shower out here. This is absolutely perfect. I'm so excited about this entire place. Little couch out here, so she's got some privacy and a closet. Oh, going to be fantastic. This house lays so perfectly. And last but not least, let's go check out the pool. Oh, and the pool table. I didn't mention that earlier because I was just so excited about this kitchen. Oh, it's all going to be so perfect. I'm hosting an event here, and we can either sit out here and have class out here next to the pool, maybe some sessions. Some other sessions we'll have in the dining room, maybe they're in the living room. So I teach women how to buy houses and make money. That's the key, right? Let's make some money, honey. So this is our pool situation. That's Jorge. We got the hammock. We got the hot tub. Y'all, we're going to have some fun out here this week. Oh, I'm excited. And I just want to show you the sky. Oh, and it's so nice and quiet out here. Oh, we got the bubbles. Thank you so much. Perfect timing. We got some lounge chairs. This place is absolutely perfect. We are going to have a blast. We're going to learn everything about vacation rentals, how to make money with them, how to buy big $1 million houses in gorgeous locations. And no matter what our mortgage payment is, we're going to figure out how to 10x it and make that money, honey. Oh, I'm so excited for the girls to get here. They won't be here for another, we start on Wednesday. Dang, so I got 3 days to hang out at this place. Oh, I'm excited. This is going to be fantastic. If y'all want to rent this place, if anybody's watching this later after our event, you want to rent this place, get a hold of Jose. He's been a fantastic host, and tell him that Whitney sent you. Super excited. This is going to be fantastic. I am absolutely in love with everything we are working with here. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Send me a message. If there's anything I can do to help you make money and buy houses, let me know that. And otherwise, have a fantastic day. I know I'm going to have a fantastic week here in New Mexico. Bye, y'all. Ooh, that sky.